This 2020 Keystone Alpine 3801FK is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Seguin, Texas, 78155 and is offered for sale by Seguin RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Keystone is 41 feet 5 inches in length and features Sleeps 5, TV antenna, skylight, air conditioning, carbon monoxide detector, external shower, refrigerator, LP detector, slide-out, microwave, smoke detector, and 54 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth-wheel RV features couples coach, front kitchen, mid-bath, mid-living area, rear bedroom. The unloaded weight of this 2020 Keystone Alpine 3801FK is 13,427 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Seguin RV.